Welcome back to AgriTech Smart. Today, we're exploring one of the most beloved crops of autumn, the pumpkin. From its humble beginnings as a small seed in the soil to vast golden fields ready for harvest, pumpkins symbolize abundance, innovation, and the beauty of modern farming. In this video, we'll take you through the entire journey. How pumpkins are grown, nurtured, and harvested using advanced machinery that transforms what was once manual labor into an efficient, large-scale operation. Let's begin. In the world of modern agriculture, the pumpkin stands out as more than just a symbol of autumn. It's a crop that reflects how technology and tradition can work together in harmony. Across smart farms today, pumpkin cultivation is no longer just about planting seeds and waiting for nature to take its course. With precision farming tools, automated irrigation, and real-time crop monitoring, every stage, from seed germination to harvest, is optimized for efficiency and sustainability. Pumpkin, known as a member of the gourd family Cucurbitaceae, has long been a staple crop in both commercial farming and local agriculture. Known for its versatility, pumpkins thrive in warm, sunny climates with well-drained soil and are grown extensively across Asia, North America, and parts of Europe. Countries like China, India, the United States, and Mexico lead global production, supplying an industry valued at over $20 billion annually through food, feed, and processing markets. Once a seasonal crop tied mainly to autumn traditions, pumpkin cultivation has now become a year-round, globally traded commodity driven by modern technology and growing consumer demand for healthy, sustainable produce. Looking ahead, the future of pumpkin farming lies in sustainability and innovation. With rising demand for organic and processed pumpkin products, from purees and oils to bio-based materials, the crop is emerging as both an economic driver and a model for smart crop diversification. As governments and agribusinesses invest in automation and renewable-powered farming systems, pumpkins are poised to represent the new face of agri-technology. Rooted in tradition, powered by data, and cultivated for a smarter, greener planet. Pumpkin cultivation begins with a careful selection of high-quality seeds, the foundation of a successful harvest. Traditionally, farmers relied on locally saved seeds and manual planting. However, modern agriculture has embraced precision seeding technology, ensuring even spacing and optimal depth for uniform germination. In many farms today, seed drills and GPS-guided planters replace hand sowing, allowing vast fields to be planted within hours. These machines not only save labor but also maximize field efficiency and ensure consistent plant health right from the start. Seed varieties are now scientifically developed for specific climates, whether it's drought-resistant pumpkins in arid zones or high-yield hybrids designed for commercial processing. As the young plants emerge, the growth phase becomes a symphony of science and soil management. Pumpkins require ample sunlight, fertile soil, and moderate watering, and farmers now rely on smart irrigation systems to balance water supply precisely according to soil moisture levels. Nutrient management is driven by real-time data collected through sensors and satellite imagery, allowing farmers to deliver targeted fertilization instead of broad applications. The difference from traditional methods is striking. What used to rely on experience and whether guesswork is now governed by data-driven precision. In many technologically advanced farms, autonomous tractors handle tasks like weeding and tilling, while drones map the field's health, identifying areas that need extra care or protection. Throughout the growing season, disease and pest management plays a critical role. Rather than depending solely on chemical pesticides, smart farmers are adopting eco-friendly control systems, such as releasing beneficial insects or using organic biostimulants that strengthen the plant's natural defense. Camera-equipped drones can scan entire fields, detecting early signs of fungal infection or nutrient deficiency, giving farmers the chance to act before any visible damage occurs. In contrast, traditional pumpkin farming often discovered these issues too late, leading to reduced yields. This blend of natural care and technological precision represents the new standard in pumpkin cultivation. Sustainable, intelligent, and adaptive as the pumpkins mature. They transform from delicate green fruits into firm, vibrant globes ready for harvest. In the past, harvesting was labor-intensive, with workers cutting fruits manually. Today, mechanical harvesters equipped with conveyor belts and soft handling systems make the process faster and safer, minimizing damage to the fruits. In large-scale farms, these machines can collect several tons of pumpkins per hour, guided by AI systems that distinguish ripe fruits by color and size. The harvested pumpkins are then sorted and transported to processing facilities, where the next stage of the agri-journey begins, transforming this humble fruit into valuable products that power industries around the world. Once pumpkins leave the field, their journey continues in the processing facilities, where technology takes over to preserve freshness and enhance value. The first step involves automated cleaning and sorting systems that use high-resolution cameras and AI to identify size, color, and surface quality. Only the finest pumpkins move forward for human consumption or industrial use. Inside modern factories, precision cutting equipment and robotic arms replace manual labor, ensuring speed, hygiene, and consistency. Each pumpkin is carefully segmented, some destined for puree, others for seeds or dehydration. In contrast to the traditional small-scale processing, which relied heavily on hand-cutting and sun-drying, the modern supply chain ensures year-round stability, minimal waste, and superior quality. After cutting and preparation, pumpkins are transformed into a diverse range of products that reach markets worldwide. Pumpkin puree forms the base for soups, baby food, bakery fillings, and seasonal beverages. Seeds are cleaned, roasted, and packaged for snacks or pressed for oil, rich in omega-3 and antioxidants. Even the pumpkin skin and fibers are now utilized in the biofuel and animal feed industries, aligning with circular economy principles. This innovation-driven ecosystem turns what was once agricultural residue into sustainable resources. Advanced facilities also employ cold storage logistics and vacuum sealing technologies, extending shelf life and reducing post-harvest losses, which is a major leap from the traditional dependence on fast local sales before spoilage. Globally, pumpkin processing has become an economic powerhouse, particularly in the US, China, India, and parts of Europe, where both consumption and export have surged. The combination of mechanized harvesting and automated processing has cut costs by up to 40% while increasing yield efficiency dramatically. Moreover, the demand for plant-based and organic foods continues to rise, positioning pumpkin as a sustainable alternative in the global food chain. Some agri-tech startups are even exploring pumpkin-based bioplastics, offering a biodegradable substitute for petroleum-based materials. This represents a major shift, from traditional food crop to multi-sector innovation hub, proving how agricultural modernization can reshape both rural livelihoods and industrial potential. Behind every can of pumpkin puree or every roasted seed packet lies a story of transformation, from soil and sunlight to science and sustainability. The journey of pumpkin processing reflects the broader evolution of agriculture itself. Data-driven, automated, and environmentally conscious. Farmers, engineers, and entrepreneurs are now connected through the same ecosystem, ensuring that nothing goes to waste and everything adds value. In this synergy between technology and nature, the humble pumpkin becomes not just a crop, but a symbol of intelligent agriculture and circular innovation, driving the future of food production worldwide. Pumpkin cultivation not only supports local farmers, but also plays an important role in global agricultural trade. With advancements in precision farming and smart harvesting technologies, the productivity and quality of pumpkins are improving each season. As sustainable agriculture continues to expand, pumpkins are expected to remain a key crop, valued for their versatility, economic potential, and contribution to food security worldwide. The story of pumpkin farming reflects how tradition and innovation can grow side by side. From humble seeds sown in fertile soil to vibrant orange fields ready for harvest, Pumpkins have become a symbol of both culture and progress in agriculture. With the rise of modern technologies, such as automated harvesters, precision irrigation systems, and AI-driven crop monitoring, farmers can now cultivate pumpkins with higher yields, better quality, and less environmental impact. These innovations not only make pumpkin farming more efficient, but also pave the way for a sustainable and profitable future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AgriTech Smart, where we explore how technology is shaping the future of farming.